Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. I'm Tara and here I do unboxings and reviews on skincare and makeup and this and that and the other. I call myself truly Tara because I do not get paid to do any of this. Nobody sends me free boxes. All of this stuff is 100% paid for. So you know that you're getting a real true yeah, I bought that. I spent my money on it, so I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about it. I have Charlotte Tilbury today, and I kind of tried to do a full face of Charlotte. I have on the base and the Champagne Glow highlighter. I always use the Sculpt to Sculpt. For some reason, I cannot think of it. I can't think of the name of it. Um, the Flawless Filter, um, the Radiant Concealer. I mean, the only thing that I didn't use was my eyeshadow. And my cheeks are the P. Louise, the pink. But Charlotte has a new um, blusher. It's like beach blush or something like that. And I would really kind of like to try it. But instead of getting it, I went with the mystery box. And I've got a couple of these from her. One was skincare, one was makeup. This one was not like, it didn't say that it was skincare or makeup, so I'm guessing that it might be a little bit of both. I'm not sure. So that's what she looks like. And let's unbox this. All right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I love to hear from you guys. It does help with the algorithm and all that, but hearing from you guys, it just makes my day. There's been a couple of comments that I've received that just, it makes me really, really happy, and it makes me continue to want to do this. So the comments really do help me keep pushing forward. Okay, so this is going to be the free stuff. You get a couple of free samples, and I think that I had some points or whatever. Now I think she's got coins going, but I got the serum and the cream, which is cool. I love her serum. Her serum is just, I still have not tried a serum yet that I love as much as Charlotte's, but okay. So then I got a Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes, which is a great mascara. There's not a whole lot that Charlotte does that isn't top notch, for real. Okay, so this this was a freebie because all the freebies are always on the outside, and I'm just trying to figure out if it was points or what. I don't know, but I'm happy to get it. And it is the Super Nudes, which is my favorite line from her, the Sophisticate and the Super Nudes. Um, just because those are my colors. And this is super fabulous. I'll open it later. I'm just ready to get into this box. Okay. So yes, it is a mix of makeup and skincare. So first I got the Glow Toner. That's a big size too. I've already, oh, this looks different than what I have. It seems like the toner that I have is not nearly as milky, but I could be wrong. I could be thinking of something else. So yeah, that's 150 milliliters. I don't really use a toner that much, but I don't know. I maybe should try. I mean, as big as that is, and I don't know. Yeah, we'll maybe try to add that. That's one step to my skincare regimen that I don't do is toner. Okay, so next I got the five star full fat lashes, and it is in some cool packaging. See that? I'm surprised I've never got this before. Glossy black. I think I've got this before, just not in this packaging. Oh, wow. No, I don't. Actually, I take that back. I don't think I've ever got the full fat lashes before. So that's kind of exciting. Okay. Now, I got this in my Christmas thing. Like, I got her Christmas, what do you call it? The Advent calendar. It's the lip oil. I'm not going to open it because I still haven't got halfway through the last one. Okay. Next, I got the Feline Flick, which is an eyeliner. It's just, I'm pretty sure it's just black. I love Charlotte's. Look at that. Just, I mean, every time that I order from Charlotte, like I'm just blown away at the packaging. Everything looks different right now. So I'm not a real big fan of this type of eyeliner. I'll probably save this for somebody just because I like to smudge out my eyeliner. And I've never been really that great at the Feline Flick. I've tried it a million times with, other things. I don't know. Maybe if I try it with the actual Feline Flicker, it will work. Okay, so I got another uh, lipstick, and this is, okay, so I'm thinking that for my birthday, I might be getting a vanity, and I think that that's going to help, this, because it's so hard to do this because I'm sitting on my bed. So, all right, her lipsticks always look, they're always in that kind of little lipstick thing, and that is gorgeous. And I'm wearing Charlotte's I don't remember what color. It's I think it said Matte Revolution. I'm not sure. But I'll put this one over top of it. Just sure, it might be the same exact thing because it sure does look like it. Yep. So that's a very light nudie color, which I love. Okay, so last but not least, what do we have? So it's a palette. All right. It is, which one is it? Okay, it is Charlotte Tilbury Luxury Palette of Pops. Is that the name of it? Is Palette of Pops? I guess so. Okay, so there she is. Beautiful as always. Oh, okay, so it's one I don't have. Super excited. I have a lot of her stuff, like a lot, but I don't have this. So, um, I am uber excited to get it. So the colors are not named, and that's fine with me. But of course, these quads, these colors go together beautifully, and I cannot wait to try it. Okay, let's see. They're not coming off very well. I don't know why. Because usually her stuff is really pigmented, and I don't know. I mean, you can kind of, and it might just be the lighting. I just can't see it in the camera very well. So yeah. All right. So that was it. Okay. So of course that was right at $100, probably 120 with shipping. Um, you know, I love the surprise of this stuff. And I'm just such a sucker for, you know, the surprise. Like, I know that I could just order exactly what I wanted from her site, but this was an amazing box. I'm really happy with it. At first, when I seen the toner, I was a little bit let down because I don't use a toner, and I would have rather got the serum, of course, but yeah, that's one of their top sellers, so they're not going to throw that into a box that 500 people are going to buy. So I'm happy with what I got. I'm really happy with that quad. I don't have it, so that's something new that I get to try from her. Um, I thought that I had tried the full fat lashes, but I guess I haven't. Um, it's just not familiar to me at all. So, um, yeah, like that was every bit worth the money that I spent for it. But the true test is going to be whenever I get the Jeffree Star, because they were the same amount of money. Um, we're going to compare those two. We're going to compare Miss Charlotte and Jeffree and see how that goes. So I mean, you got skincare, you got uh okay, you got skincare, you got makeup, you got the, best of, you got eyeshadow. Like, you can't ask for much else in a box. Like, you got skincare. Have I said that? You got skincare and makeup. Um, I don't know. It's just, I'm just kind of at a loss because I thought that I was going to be let down with this. And it surprised me how happy I am with it. So, thank you, Miss Charlotte. All right, I'm going to shut up now. I have some cool stuff coming. I've got a mystery box that is basically like, you go to a site, like you go to Google and just put in uh, mystery subscription boxes, and they send you everything from makeup, skincare to clothes. Uh, and you can order small or you can order large. Like, so that's what I'm waiting on next. Like, that this is going to be fun. And I broke down and I ordered some Sol de Janeiro. I've been hearing so many good things about them. So yeah, so that's what I have coming. So, stay tuned and make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget that with Truly, if you go to Truly's website and you put in Truly Terra 15, then you will get 15% off of your entire purchase. Now, of course, that's not going to be on sale items and all that stuff, just like if you were shopping in the store. So, but that is the one thing that I do make a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of money on, is if somebody orders from Truly. That's it. So I will see you guys in the next. Bye bye.